Hi guys, welcome back. Hi guys, welcome back to Kusina Ria Jose. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Ria Jose. Madaya, welcome back to Kusina Maria. I'm Ria Jose and this is Just Life TV. And today we're experimenting. This is something that I've been wanting to do, but it's my first time to do it. This is inspired by a Thai dish. It's forgot what it's called. It's inspired by a Thai dish called Yam Sam O. I got to try this when we had food tasting at Benjerong at Dusit D2 here in Davao. The ingredients are basically pomelo and shrimps, and then supposedly we have another third major ingredient. Okay, I forgot what it's called, but the sauce is usually made of tamarind concentrate. I forgot what that ingredient is called, but I'm improvising, so I'm doing this with patis or fish sauce, muscovado sugar, fresh lemon, and then a bit of cayenne pepper. And this is my secret ingredient. It's red KIAMOY powder or plum powder. This is by the brand Fat and Thin. I bought this from Chef's Depot. I have a stock of this because I put this in my fruits. The challenge here is balancing the sweet with the sour with very little saltiness and a hint of chili, and then of course there's a bit of bitterness from the pomelo and umami from the shrimps. So it's actually a medley of the 5 sweet, sour, salty, spicy, bitter, and then umami. Bakit parang ang dami? Basta yon, medley siya ng all of the flavors. See, I am again wearing my apron from Apeprons, Davao. I love this. This is different. This is just plain denim. They gave this to me for free. Basically, we're just gonna have a large mixing bowl. I'm gonna use a spatula to mix everything, but you can use a spoon or a fork, whatever. And that's all we need really. For the ingredients, I segmented and broke down into pieces 1 whole pomelo. For reference, this is 1 whole pomelo. This is golden pomelo. This is one of the most popular brands of pomelo here in Davao, or suha, whatever you call it. I have prepared here, this is already blanched, fresh shrimps. These are soft shell shrimps. Binalatan ko siya bago ko binlanch. I got this from Miss Jennifer Yap. Pangit yung pagkaka-prepare ko ng shrimps because I kind of forgot how to devein and clean shrimps. Just chop it into bite-sized pieces. 1/2 tablespoon of muscovado sugar, 1 tablespoon of patis or fish sauce. This is the one that I always use. This is ang sarap patis. I have 1/2 fresh lemon. You can use calamansi or lime, whatever you have. And I don't know yet the amount of red KIAMOY or plum powder and the chili that I'm gonna use. Malalaman natin yan later. Another thing that you can add is crushed toasted peanuts. And this one, I'm gonna add this. This is fried shallots. This is from Peras Gila. It's a local brand. So, let's begin. Tanggalin ko na to. Props lang to. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flavor the pomelo with 1 teaspoon of the plum powder. Alam nyo guys, you don't even have to make a salad. You can just put the KIAMOY powder like so, and you can already eat that. That's the way I eat it. Plum powder is also good for like green mangoes. Okay, just make sure that it's already coated with the plum powder. To flavor this, we have the 1 tablespoon of patis. The thing with this salad is you don't need a lot of the patis and the sugar because when you let it sit for a while, the juices from the pomelo are gonna come out and you do not want it too soggy. Now let's put in the 1/2 tablespoon of muscovado sugar. Ooh, it already looks really good. Okay, I'm gonna taste this to see kung sakto lang ba yung lasa niya. I can definitely taste the plum powder, but I want to add a little bit more patis. I'll add muna first 1/2 tablespoon muscovado sugar. That's already 1 tablespoon total, and also another 1/2 tablespoon of patis, so that's 1.5. It's not bad, pero all I taste is the pomelo kasi. You want to taste everything. Let's take 1. patagal ng patagal, mauubos to kakatikim. We're just gonna season with a little bit of cayenne pepper. Now we're gonna add the shrimps. You can actually break down pa the pomelo into its pulp. Pero ayoko kasi ng ganun. Gusto ko ganito, medyo chunky siya. And then the lemon is just for a bit of freshness. And the onions is for a little bit more savory. So there you go. Beautiful, beautiful salad. You can add fresh onions, red or white. The one I tried, they used red, which I don't like. I'm gonna put some shallots. You can also do this without the shrimps if you don't want to. So let's add about a tablespoon of shallots. Just to add a bit of bitterness and more savory to this dish. You can also add celery, green onions. If you know how to fry your own shallots, go ahead. Pero ako, I prefer the one in the bottle. And then the juice of the half lemon. Let's just mix everything. And hopefully this will be all good. And now, let's taste the pomelo with the shrimp in one bite with some shallots. I'm so happy. This is a very easy recipe which I have been planning to do for the longest time, and I think I did it right the first time. Let's taste it. The shrimp with the pomelo and a piece of shallot. I love that the shallot adds bitterness and a different dimension to this, because the pomelo and the lemon, it's so fresh, and the plum powder, so much punch and sourness. So that's it, guys, we're done. This only took us less than 20 minutes total. It's been 15 minutes and 30 seconds plus the 1 hour of prep. It took me a long time na balatan yung pomelo and shrimps, peel, clean, and blanch. My gosh. It took me more than an hour to prepare all the ingredients and about 20 minutes to assemble everything. I think it's a really good salad, pretty good for my first try, and it didn't take a lot of ingredients. So just pomelo, shrimps, plum powder, patis. I use muscovado, but you can use brown sugar, or if you don't have brown sugar, white sugar is okay. If you do have honey, honey is also a good option for this. Cayenne pepper, again, which is also optional, and the dried shallots, which is also optional. And finally, half a lemon. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you do prepare this, do tag me on Instagram. I'm Ria Jose Davao, or on Facebook, it's Cocina Maria. The recipe for this will be on my blog. It's cocinamaria.com. Please make sure to visit that and also read my blog, browse. It's not just a recipe blog, but I also share some of my favorite dishes and a little bit of research on some popular and not so popular dishes that you can try. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell button so you will be updated if I uploaded a new video, especially if it's a recipe video. If you have any questions about this recipe, suggestions, or any questions about baking and cooking in general, leave them in the comment section below, and do share this video with your friends. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!